Here are the best beginner settings for OpenArt AI. Simple, safe defaults that give you good results without wasting credits. First of all, we are in the new version. We need to go to the previous version, click on the previous. Now if you want to go back to the new, just click over here, go to the new workspace. Let's go to images. Then go to create image. Under model or character, click on switch to select your model, and we're gonna start from photorealistic or anime. You can pick any of these. There are a lot here. I'll stick with realistic stock photo. I'm gonna click on that. Don't overthink this. OpenArt lets you switch models easily, and beginners benefit from experimenting. So you can see here it says 2 images only. If you go on more images, it's gonna cost more. It's only 4 credits or 2 credits, depends on how many you want. You can see the amount of credits that I have, which is a lot for images. You can select the aspect ratio over here. Let's do squared, which is gonna be, now I'm gonna give you a formula in the prompt. I'm gonna just add it over here. So you want to add the subject, the style, the lighting, details in high quality. So here's an example. I'm gonna remove all that. I'm gonna paste my other text. So as you can see, you have the subject, the style, the lighting, the details, and it says ultra detailed. It's a clear prompt, biggest quality boost, okay? Under negative prompt, you can click and it's gonna open that one, and it says anything you would like to exclude. I'm gonna add what I want to exclude. So over here, blurry, low quality, bad anatomy, text, and watermark. This helps remove common AI mistakes. You could also turn the auto enchants over here. If you click on that, you can hover over here and it's gonna say what it's gonna do. And so in simple terms, why would you want to turn it on? Because it auto improves your prompt. So over here it says in auto mode, prompts are enchanted for half of your generation. In on mode, prompts are always enchanted. In off mode, prompts are not enchanted. So it depends on you, you can test it, and I'm gonna turn it off. So we selected the model or character, we gave it a detailed prompt, we exclude the auto enchants, we gave it a negative prompt, we gave it an aspect ratio which is squared, or you can click on under default over here and just pick squared, which is kind of the same, but it might cost more, I'm not sure. Also, you could play with the image guidance and advanced settings, but this is the best beginner settings for OpenArt AI. And the real truth is, most results come from prompt and model choice, not advanced settings. Everything else is just fine-tuning. And then you can generate the images. I'm gonna generate 2 images, only 2 credits, extremely cheap. I'm gonna click on that. And I'm gonna skip until the images are ready. Okay, so it's finished generating the images. We can click on them and see them. If you want to download, you can click here. This is the first one, this is the second one. A futuristic city, cyberpunk style, neon lighting, rain reflection, ultra detailed. Yeah, so don't overthink it when you select a different model, because it's gonna give you different options. But this is the best simple beginner settings in OpenArt AI. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like, and thank you for watching.